Don't let a bad smile hold you back this year, and don't let finances hold you back either. There's a more affordable option to deal with discolored or missing teeth, and it can be done in a snap. Back to show us how that works is cosmetic dentist Dr. Terri Alani, also known as the Texas Tooth Lady. All right. You know, people have been putting off the dental stuff and the whole bit, and we've been putting off a lot of things when it comes to our own looks and our own health, and you're saying don't put it off anymore, and this is such a great option for a lot of people for a while.
Okay, so a lot of people come in for veneers. So we have two options now. We have one that's the more expensive, the traditional veneers, and then we have the Snap-on Smile. So we're going to talk about both.
Both of those, yeah.
So let's start with the Lumineers, the veneers. So on your screen, you can see the veneers, and basically, a lot of people come in and they ask me the difference between a lumineer and a veneer. So they're both made out of material called lithium disilicate. Okay, it's very translucent, it's very lifelike, and it's very strong. It's bonded to the tooth. The Lumineer is a brand name. Denmat Corporation makes the Lumineer. They're contact lens thin. And then the other labs make what we call just porcelain veneers. So basically you'll get pretty much the same results. It just depends on what the dentist prefers as far as the procedure. We do minimal prep veneers. What that means is before we used to take a lot of tooth structure down. Now it's very minimally invasive. We basically just recontour the teeth. So we can make you a trial smile and you can see exactly what your veneer case will look like before you get your permanent veneers. Now when we do veneers, every case is different. People ask us, we don't want one size fits all. So it's like designing jewelry. We take in consideration the lips, we take in consideration your complexion, your facial symmetry. Everything is involved when we are doing a veneer case. In this particular, on your screen, well, we can go back one. You can see that the patient had, this is how the patient is.
So you made the teeth longer.
This is how the veneers are actually placed in. And these were prepared. You can see the four that were prepared, it's hardly prepared at all. So we go ahead and we take the contact lens thin veneer and we apply it to the tooth, and you can see there are four veneers. You see the results.
And in this case,
it's
you need a little bit longer tooth, right?
And so veneers can do a lot of things. They can close gaps. They can, in this patient, she just had a mild gap, but look at the difference as far as the brightness. They can whiten your teeth, and they can do all of this with one case as well. So here we have veneers that whitened her teeth, and also we corrected the symmetry and the discoloration. Make teeth more symmetrical. You might think that the patient on the left, they look great, but if you look at the right, you can see the incredible difference. And then also correct chipped and misaligned teeth. So huge difference with veneers. We usually do 8 or 10, 2 or 4. Never do 6.
What you can see when
Never
you're
do just 6 front teeth, because we like to fill out your, what we call the buccal corridor is the outside, so you can have a much broader smile. So
basically you can get perfect teeth.
You can get perfect teeth with veneers, and they look amazing. And of course, if the patient doesn't want perfect, then we can put some asymmetry in there. So like I said, it's very customized.
Now then, moving to the Snap-on Smiles, the veneers it's more permanent. The Snap-on Smile, a lot of times you may have somebody who comes in who might have a missing tooth or teeth that just don't look right, and they would need to go to a job interview, or they just need to get through the day, right?
So Snap-on Smile is awesome. Basically, it is an appliance. It is removable. You only wear it when you want, like a necklace or a wig or what have you, and it can totally change the shape of your teeth. So basically, this is a Snap-on Smile. It is made out of a patented acetyl resin, and it literally snaps over your existing teeth. There's no glue, no adhesives, no drilling, nothing, and you just take it on and off when you want. This is an incredible alternative.
And it's made for you.
It's made specifically for you. The patient comes in, we take digital impressions, we go through with the patient the color, there's different shades and what have you, send it to the lab, and we get previews, and about 3 to 4 weeks later they get a beautiful smile. Now let me tell you what it can do. This patient, he will get his lower, but look at that gap. That would be difficult to close with veneers. Orthodontics would be great, but he was in the jewelry business and did not want to take the time. So we did a Snap-on Smile. He actually tripped walking out of my office because we have big mirrors looking at himself.
Looking at himself.
He couldn't stop looking at himself. It also can whiten teeth. The same thing as veneers. So here you have a patient, upper, lower. Now these are very close-up pictures. These have not been altered in any way. But if you see the faces of these patients,
we've seen them.
It's just amazing.
People like literally have come on here and cried about the fact that they could actually show up, like I mentioned, to a job interview and with a great smile, right? Because a lot of people will hide their smile.
Exactly.
If they have something wrong
and
with
here
it.
you can correct chipped teeth. Now again, veneers would be great, but Snap-on Smile does a lot of things. It not only whitens your teeth, it creates symmetry, it fills out your smile. Yeah. Does a lot of really amazing, and it's very affordable. And then we also can open up a patient's bite. This patient had worn his teeth down with grinding, so you would really need full mouth reconstruction and crowning all the teeth, but with Snap-on Smile, you can get a great result.
And you can eat with Snap-on Smile, right?
Okay, so you can eat with Snap-on Smile. There's a lot of internet appliances. Buyer beware, you cannot eat with them.
Yeah.
You cannot eat with them, and there's actually a disclaimer on their warranty online that says if you eat or bite with them, the warranty is void. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
So you can eat and function with these perfectly, or we would not be doing them.
And let me just end with, whether you're getting veneers or Snap-on Smile, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a healthy mouth, and you can take care of that too.
Exactly. And for Snap-on, smaller teeth get the best result because it does add 0.5 millimeters in thickness and at least 0.5 millimeters in length. So you better make sure this is the start of the new year. Come in, get your teeth cleaned and checked regardless of what you want. Just come in and get them checked. We're a general dental office.
All right, Terri, thank you very much.